Whoops, I got cut off there, friends. Okay, I'm back. So, spout and out are rhyming words. If we take out the SP out of this word, we're left with the same. We're left with out, out, right? They have the same sounds at the end. Out, out, spout, out. So these two are rhyming words. Now how about these two? Rain again, rain again. Now this one, rain starts with letter R. Again starts with AG, but look at the ending, AIN, AIN. They both end the same way, right? They start with different letters, different sounds, but they end the same way. Rain, rain, again, rain, again. All right, so those two are rhyming words too. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the letters in this little song. Itsy. What's that first letter in itsy? What letter is that? I, letter I. Do you hear the sound? Itsy, itsy. What about bitsy? What's that first letter? B, right? B for bitsy. Bitsy. What about spider? What letter does spider start with? What's that first letter? Yes, that's an S. Spider, spider. What about, this is what we're talking about now, water. What's the first letter right there? Water. What does water start with? W, that's right, W for water. What about here? That's another form of water. Rain. Rain. What's that first letter? R for rain. Rain. What about this one? This talks about water too. Washed. Washed. W for washed. What letter's at the end of washed? Why don't we look at the ending sound? Washed. Washed. D. D's at the end of washed. What about spider? Spider. What letter's at the end of spider? This last letter. Spider. R. Spider. Hear that sound? What about dried? Dried. When the rain goes away, it's dry, right? Dried. What's the first letter? D. But D also is at the end of this word, right? Dried. Do you hear both D sounds? Dried. And spout is something else, where water comes out, right? Water comes out of a spout. Spout. Starts with letter S and ends with